Mercedes-Benz has always been at the forefront of automotive technology. The brand's commitment to innovation is evident in its advanced driver assistance systems, intuitive infotainment, and cutting-edge powertrains. One of the most impressive examples of Mercedes-Benz's technological prowess is the MBUX infotainment system. This intelligent system learns your preferences and provides a seamless and personalized driving experience. With its natural language processing capabilities, you can control various vehicle functions with simple voice commands. Need directions? Just ask. Want to change the music? No problem. MBUX responds to your requests in a way that feels natural and intuitive. Beyond MBUX, Mercedes-Benz vehicles are equipped with a suite of advanced safety systems, from automated emergency braking to lane-keeping assist. These technologies work in unison to enhance driver awareness and provide an extra layer of protection on the road. For those who crave exhilarating performance, Mercedes-Benz offers the AMG lineup. These high-performance vehicles are engineered to deliver breathtaking speed and handling. AMG, short for Aufrecht, Melcher and Grosses Spach, the names of the founders in a town, represents the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz performance. AMG models are not for the faint of heart. They pack potent engines, often hand-built by master technicians. These engines produce an intoxicating soundtrack that will send shivers down your spine. But AMG is not just about raw power. It's about precision engineering and exceptional handling. AMG models undergo rigorous testing to ensure they can handle the most demanding driving conditions. With their sport-tuned suspensions, powerful brakes, and aerodynamic designs, AMG vehicles are built to conquer corners and leave a lasting impression. Section 5. Guardians of the Road, Safety First. Safety has always been paramount for Mercedes-Benz. The brand has a long history of pioneering safety features that have saved countless lives. From crumple zones to electronic stability control, Mercedes-Benz sets new safety benchmarks. Today, Mercedes-Benz vehicles are equipped with advanced safety systems designed to prevent accidents and protect occupants. These features make Mercedes-Benz vehicles among the safest on the road.